Hi everyone, welcome to day 14 of 20 days basic JavaScript challenge. Today we are going to explore the fascinating topic of temperature conversion as we learn how to convert temperature from Celsius to Fahrenheit using JavaScript. Let's dive into the code. So I open my code editor and here you can see I already create index.html file, and in this file I write a script tag. In this script tag I write our JavaScript functionality. So first we create a function which calculate a temperature to Celsius to Fahrenheit. So here I write a function which name is Celsius to Fahrenheit. And this function take one argument as Celsius when we send this value when we call the function. Okay. And after that, in this function, we calculate a temperature or convert a Celsius temperature into a Fahrenheit. So here I write a Fahrenheit formula. So first we create a variable with the name of Fahrenheit, which store the Fahrenheit value. And here I write a formula for Fahrenheit temperature. So first I pass this Celsius here. Sorry, I write correct spelling here. And after that I multiply this value with 9 by 5. And after that we plus 32 in this value. So with the help of this formula we calculate the Fahrenheit temperature. In next step we return this value. So here I write return keyword, and after that I pass this variable here. So I write Fahrenheit. Next step we pass a value to this and to test the function it worked properly or not. So first we create a variable with name of Celsius. Temperature is equal to 20, and now we send this value to this function. So here I write Fahrenheit is equal to Celsius to Fahrenheit. So here I write this function. So I copy this function here and pass here. And in this function, I pass this argument, this variable as an argument. Okay. You can directly write a 20 here, but I pass this variable here. Okay. Because this variable store 20 value. And after that, we show the result to a user in a console. So I use a console.log method. And in this, first we show the Celsius temperature to a user. So here I write temperature in Celsius. And after that, I use a plus sign here, or you can easily write here Celsius temperature, this variable here. Okay. So I copy this variable and paste here. And after that, I copy this console and here I write a temperature is Fahrenheit. So I write FA. And instead of passing this variable here, I pass this Fahrenheit variable here. So I copy this and pass here. So now I go to a browser and I reload the page. And here you can see temperature in Celsius is 20. And temperature in Fahrenheit is 68. Okay, so if I pass a temperature here 0 and go to a browser, and you can see temperature is Celsius is 0 and temperature is Fahrenheit 32. So like that you can convert Celsius temperature into a Fahrenheit temperature. This is useful for when you are creating a weather application or a cooking related application. Okay. That's it for today's tutorial. We have learned how to write a JavaScript function to convert temperature from Celsius to Fahrenheit. Temperature conversion skills are useful for a wide range of applications from weather analysis to cooking. I hope you have found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.